How to save money fast, even if you have no discipline. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're addressing a crucial topic that many of us face, saving money, especially in today's challenging economic environment where living paycheck to paycheck is a reality for many of us. I understand that saving can feel overwhelming, particularly when there is a constant temptation to spend. However, I'm here to share practical and effective strategies that can help you save money quickly, even if self-discipline is not your strong suit. If you're serious about improving your finances, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. The first thing to keep in mind about saving is that it becomes much easier if you can automate the process, which allows you to save without having to think about it. This brings me to my first tip. Tip number 1. Set up automatic savings. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every month to make the process easy. When you make saving a seamless part of your financial routine, you can focus on your daily life without the added stress of managing your savings actively. This way, your savings grow steadily without requiring constant attention. Even a small amount, like $10, can accumulate over time without you even realizing it. Treat this as a way to build your savings effortlessly, and this will enable you to reward yourself guilt-free once you reach your financial goals. Tip number 2. Set specific savings goals. It's better to have separate savings accounts for different goals. When you clearly define your savings objectives, you create a roadmap for your financial future. This clarity allows you to prioritize your goals and allocate your resources as efficiently as possible. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new appliance, having specific objectives makes it easy to stay focused and motivated. This approach not only helps you monitor your progress over time, but also ensures you are financially prepared for each goal as it approaches. Tip number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. You probably anticipated this step. To save more money, it's essential to ensure that you have funds remaining in your budget each month. This means carefully managing your expenses and prioritizing your spending so that you can allocate a portion of your income to savings. To do this, you'll need to review your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This might include canceling unused subscriptions, limiting dining out, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday purchases. This will help you redirect these savings into your savings account to significantly boost your overall savings. For example, when you come across something you want to buy, pause for 30 days before making the purchase. This waiting period allows you to consider whether the item is truly necessary or just an impulse desire. You might be surprised at how many items you forget about after a month, saving you from unnecessary spending. Tip number 4. Make more money. If you want to increase your savings potential, it's always a good idea to explore ways to increase your income. This could involve taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or seeking out additional work opportunities that align with your skills. When you diversify your income sources, you not only enhance your financial stability, but you also accelerate your ability to reach your savings goals more quickly. Tip number 5. Pay yourself first. You know the best way to save more is to pay yourself first. When you make it a priority to pay yourself first before addressing your other expenses, you allocate a portion of your income to savings as soon as you receive your paycheck, rather than waiting until all your bills are paid. You should understand that if you prioritize everything else before saving, there may be little to no money left for savings. When you treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense, you guarantee that you consistently contribute toward your financial objectives. Tip number 6. The No Spend Challenge. The No Spend Challenge is a challenge with the goal of not spending money on non-essential items for a specific period. This could be for a week, 2 weeks, or a month. During this challenge, you only spend money on necessities like groceries, bills, and transportation. The goal is to help you become more mindful of your spending habits, identify unnecessary expenses, and save money. Many people find that they can save a significant amount and gain a better understanding of their financial priorities when they cut out discretionary purchases. The challenge can also help you be creative as you try to seek alternative ways to enjoy life without spending money. So try the no spend challenge for a week or a month and see how it can help you save more money. During this period, avoid eating out, shopping for non-essentials, and making impulse purchases. You may be surprised by how much you can save by eliminating these minor expenditures. Let's quickly recap today's video. Here are all the tips we discussed in this video in order to help you maximize your savings as quickly as possible. Tip number 1. Set up automatic savings. Automate transfers to your savings accounts to make saving effortless and stay consistent. Tip number 2. Set specific savings goals. Create specific savings goals for different objectives to stay focused and motivated. Tip number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenses to identify and eliminate non-essential expenses. Tip number 4. Make more money. Find other ways to increase your income by finding part-time job or freelance opportunities. Tip number 5. Pay yourself first. Prioritize saving by allocating a portion of your saving as soon as you receive your paycheck. Tip number 6. The no spend challenge. Commit to a period where you only spend on essentials to become more mindful of your financial habits and identify unnecessary expenses. These strategies can help you save money quickly and effectively, even without strong discipline. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more motivated to take control of your finances. I'd love to hear from you. What tips will you try first? Or do you have any money saving hacks of your own? Please share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Until next time.